Welcome to our channel. Today we how to prepare estimated quarterly taxes, complete guide step by step clearly. Understanding estimated quarterly taxes is essential for freelancers, small business owners, and anyone with income that isn't subject to withholding. The first step is to determine if you need to pay estimated taxes. Generally, if you expect to owe at least $1,000 in taxes for the year after subtracting refundable credits, you will need to pay estimated quarterly taxes. Next, gather your financial information from the previous year. This includes income, deductions, and credits that may apply to your situation. Once you have your financial documents ready, calculate your expected income for the current year. Estimate your business income by analyzing previous earnings and any potential changes in your situation. Next, determine your tax liability by applying the current tax rates to your estimated income. Use the IRS tax table for the most accurate calculations. Now, subtract any deductions or credits that you expect to claim during the year. Next, divide your estimated annual tax liability by 4 to determine the amount you'll need to pay each quarter. It's important to note that estimated payments are typically due in April, June, September, and January. Prepare your payments by choosing your preferred payment method. You can pay electronically through the IRS website, by mail with a check or money order, or by phone using the IRS To Go app. After making your payment, keep records of all transactions for your files. These records can be vital when filing. In the case of significant changes in your income, reassess your estimated taxes quarterly. Adjust your subsequent payments if necessary to avoid penalties at the end of the year. Finally, file your tax return by the deadline to reconcile your estimated payments with your actual tax liability. Being proactive and organized will ensure that you meet your obligations and avoid any surprises come tax season. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.